Hi, how you doing? Me and Brian here were just on our way to pick up Scott at his friend's house, and we had to drop him off so we could get his case last week, CDs and stuff. So, drop him off, go around the block, come back. He said he just had to grab and walk out. Going down the alley behind his house, simple, slow, just going down the alley, waiting, looking out of the car, waiting for him to come out. He didn't come out. But some fat, bald, dirty, scary, drunken, gun-toting hick did. A guy came after us with a fucking shotgun. A shotgun! The guy's walking out of the house with a shotgun in his hand. Loaded! It was loaded, people! He walked out into the alley and watched us drive off because we got the fuck out of there. It's a nice voice crack on my part, don't you think?
Yes.
Get the fuck out of there, man. Some guy with a fucking shotgun. What the hell happened to Scott? No, that's what we're wondering now. What happened to Scott? Scott could have been shot. Could have been shot. He could be dead right now. And we don't even know why.